Creating an HTML page is the first step in web development. Here's a concise guide. Text editor. Start by opening a text editor such as Notepad, TextEdit, or a specialized code editor like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text. Document structure. Begin your HTML page by defining its structure. Every HTML page starts with a doctype HTML declaration to specify the document type. HTML tags. The basic structure includes opening and closing HTML tags to enclose your entire document. Within this, you have two sections, head and body. Head section. The head section contains meta information and resources. Add the title tag to set the page title displayed in the browser tab. Body section. The body section holds the visible content of your web page. Use HTML tags like headings, paragraphs, lists, and links to structure and format your content. Images. To display images, use the image tag and provide the image source attribute. Save the file. Save your HTML file with an HTML extension, for example index.html. Preview. Open your HTML file in a web browser to see how it looks. Simply double-click the file to open it in your default browser. Edit and enhance. Continue to edit and enhance your HTML page by adding more content, styles with CSS, and interactivity with JavaScript. Testing. Test your HTML page on different browsers to ensure cross-browser compatibility.